Hello class of 2022. The Big Four, Deloitte is here. They have announced 2nd September as a pre-placement talk. So how do you prepare for this role of tax consultants? Let's go and talk to Dr. Manisha Singh, our Dean Academics. And Manisha Madam has been preparing students for this role over the years. And last year also we had this campus, this company visiting our campus, and 16 of our students have been hired. So very good afternoon, Manisha ma'am.
Good afternoon.
And now that Deloitte has announced the dates for pre-placement talk on 2nd September, and we have been interacting with the students. You have been guiding them over the years. So regarding this US tax consultant role, can you please again share some of your thoughts how the students should prepare now, or what are the areas of focus?
Okay, so in order to understand how you should prepare, maybe I can also tell you what would be your roles and responsibilities when you are working as a tax consultant, right? So as a tax consultant, there would be various things that you would do on a day-to-day basis. That could be basically like researching the tax data, tax related information, then maybe drafting tax memos, technical memos and opinions, then maybe defending your tax position, right, in case of controversies. The main thing, that is preparing your tax file returns, right, filing returns for the clients with respect to either federal tax or with respect to state tax. Then you also need to understand and also explain to your clients the various tax implications which are applicable to them. And finally, making different conclusions based on the findings that you have, because ultimately it is a consultant role, right? Now, as far as preparation is concerned, after this basic PPT which happens, the next thing would be your selection process, and it will start with Versant, which I'm sure would be taken care by another faculty member. So I'll basically concentrate on the APTI test part. Now in APTI, there are three main classifications which you have to undergo. One is logical reasoning, second is Excel, the basic shortcut Excels, and finally the accounting part of APTI, right? So in accounting part of APTI, you have certain preparations to do. Let's say, since you are a tax consultant, so what are the things that would be relevant to you, would be what will be asked in the APTI. So that starts with, let's say, golden rule of accounting. So in golden rule of accounting, which is also known as 3 pillars of accounting, may look very simple, but their application is something that you have to follow throughout your career, right? So these are very important as far as their applications are concerned. So 3 golden rules of accounting. Then second thing is journalizing. Journalizing transaction is considered to be very, very important in all Deloitte related profiles, right? So how do you journalize transactions, especially with respect to depreciation, with respect to taxation, is something that you should really focus, right? So what I'm trying to say here is your SEM 1 accountancy is something that you should revise again, but in that focus more on these things like golden rules of accounting or journalizing transactions. Then the next thing that you can prepare more is your GAAP principles, generally accepted accounting principles. There you have accounting concepts, accounting conventions, and the application thereof. The application part again becomes a little more important, right? So that you have to take care. Indian accounting standards and IFRS, and the difference between the two is something that you need to do again, right? And finally, the ratios. You need to know the different types of ratios, what they mean. What do you mean with if I say that liquidity of the company is good or not good? Right? What do you mean when I say the company is efficient or not efficient? And what are the ratios that are used to calculate all these things? These things you should be very clear about, right? Because these are the basic things that we keep seeing year after year asked in these APTI tests. So prepare well on these topics along with all other topics in accounting, but focus more here. Once this is over, next will be your interview. So I'm sure the soft skill part of that will be taken care of. But here again, take care and prepare well on FM1, FM2 ka concepts and accountancy again, right? Accountancy will be there in all the selection processes that you have to take care of. In addition, what I can say is basically do your homework, right, for interview, because if you are trying to join a particular company, why do you want to join that particular company? So maybe know a little more about that company, visit the website, read about what kind of services do they offer, right? Who are the competitors, who is the market leader there, right? All those things you need to know, because you never know, you might get a question like why us. So if you have done that kind of a homework, you would be able to answer. At the same time, why should we hire you? Okay, you might have given an answer why I want to join you, but why should they hire you is also something that you need to really prepare. So do your homework properly, make an impact, dress for the occasion, right? Dress formally and make an impact, see eye to eye to the person who is taking your interview, right? That is next thing that you need to remember. And finally, be confident, because composure is the key. You need to be really composed during the interview. Nobody is expected to know all the answers, no matter how hard you try. Maybe there could be one tricky question. Don't let that question get on your nerve. Be composed. It's okay not to know. Don't try and just go round and round trying to answer. Sincerely tell them that maybe I'm not able to answer this now. Can I get back to you? Right? That is a good enough answer, right? And I think that's all. In the end, I can say all the best. Do well.
Okay. So thank you, Manisha ma'am. And as you have heard, students, that if you are able to go through the apti round and also the Versant test, and with all your clarity about the concepts that ma'am has highlighted, you will have that composure and that confidence, right? So wish you all the best, and I'm sure all of you will do well. We have been doing well, our students have been doing well, and this year it will be no difference. All the best, stay focused and keep preparing.
All the
okay
best.
All the best. Bye.